The idea is like, let's add another battery. This idea was basically like, hey, let's just slap on an extra battery. When Tesla first announced the Cybertruck, everyone was talking about a range of over 500 miles. In reality, the best you're getting is around 350 miles, and even that's not guaranteed. So, the automaker came up with an extender, a removable extra battery pack with 50 kilowatt-hours, supposedly adding between 120 and 130 miles. But then, reality hit. The extra battery took up nearly a third of the truck's cargo space and added over 600 pounds of dead weight. Just imagine trying to take that thing in and out. The price? $16,000, almost as much as a brand new Nissan Versa, the cheapest sedan in the US. Oh, and they also wanted a $2,000 deposit, meaning you'd have to pay 20 times the actual cost of the extender up front. Why even bother? Sure, the goal was clear, give pre-order customers something, but the project had one major flaw, it just didn't make sense. A couple hundred extra miles weren't worth the hassle, the lost space, and the insane cost. The result, refunds issued, extender scrapped. Tesla recently confirmed they're canceling the extender and refunding deposits. No official reason was given, but customers are already sharing screenshots of the company's emails online. My take. On one hand, trying to fix the Cybertruck's limited range is a good intention. On the other hand, the price and the impracticality make this upgrade a total disaster. What do you think? Was it worth trying external batteries, or should Tesla just focus on improving the main platform?